Greetings, everyone. My name is Gennifer Walls. I currently serve as an instructional coach in a pre-K through 5 setting. I will be working with a kindergarten classroom for this case study. There are 17 students in the class. Um, the baseline assessment that was given out of the 17 students, 10 scored below grade level in counting and cardinality. So my focus is Alabama Standards K.4 and K.5 relating to counting sets of objects. Knowing how many there are in a set is what that skill directly relates to. And just to give a little background as to why I decided to pursue this standard, because we have 9 weeks left in the school year, one more grading period. It is very concerning if a student does not have a solid grasp on counting and cardinality. And also it is a very foundational skill, even through the K through 16 spectrum continuum of education. And just in respects to kindergartners, what this means is that if they are not solid with counting, when they get to geometry, they are unable to accurately count the size of a shape. Now, for triangles, squares, not as difficult, but I believe they are introduced. I know they are introduced to a hexagon, which requires its 6 sides. So if a student is not accurately counting, that can lead to errors in geometry, can also lead to errors with measurement and data, being able to look and count tally marks, being able to look at bar graphs, count picture graphs as well. All of those will create error patterns, operations and algebraic thinking. It will also be crippling to them because if they do not have a strong sense of numbers and counting, it will be very difficult to be able to use the part per whole model to apply that to figuring out what the missing number is. And so when they have number sentences and they have a missing add-in or whatnot. So that is my justification for pursuing this standard of the timing of the year, and that it is a very critical standard. Going forward, I will be investigating if it's more so procedural. Do they not have good counting strategies in their toolbox, or is it more conceptual? Are they not able to understand that the numbers that when orally counting relate to counting objects? So all of those things I will investigate. Um, like I said, going forward, it's going to be interesting to see what I uncover in this case study. So, and also it's also to note that, I will be looking at student information, but it will be interesting to see how the teacher is presenting the counting and what opportunities are presented in the classroom for them to practice the skills. So I want to say thank you for your time and looking forward to collaborating and working with all of you. Bye.